Oh. हेलो।
Hey,
आज मेरे आने से पहले कोई ऑलरेडी आ गया। आई एम सो सॉरी, आई एम ऑलवेज 2 मिनट्स अहेड।
नहीं नहीं कोई बात नहीं।
आपका
ये क्या
क्या?
हो गया?
हाँ, अभी ठीक हो गया। कुछ तो फिल्टर लग
I,
गया। अरे 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 सो मेनी फिल्टर्स।
I'm trying. I'm new to this. So I'm just trying out. Till we have people.
People will join in a minute. A lot of people are joining already.
Oh my God, the endless features.
इतना सब तो मैंने भी ट्राई नहीं किया।
वो जल्दी आने का फायदा होता है।
ट्रू ट्रू ट्रू।
ये
So you are figuring out which filter to go ahead with.
yeah, there was one that I had kind of used last time. Well, like second, third option that was something like this, but it wasn't this dark. Yeah, like this. Nightlife. Yo, now I
Yeah.
DJ.
So how are you? How is quarantine going on?
It's going perfect. It's going great. It's just going जैसे जाना चाहिए वैसे बिल्कुल
The
घर पे with family
how it
and हम
feels
जब
to
भी
be
काम
on
करते
the opposite side
what
right now. How it feels to be on the opposite side. You always interview people. Today you're on the other side.
exactly it feels good देखते हैं what's there we'll go with the flow get massive Mazhar hi
कैसे हो मजर भाई? A lot of people are joining. Some people are saying hi, hi Bhupen. So how are you spending your quarantine? At home, enjoying, making music, doing new stuff?
hi Matt yes absolutely I am home and I'm spending time with my family so the thing is that जब भी वो होली के वक्त थोड़ी बहुत events cancel हो गई थी होली got
Yeah.
cancelled then there were some club events that got cancelled and also my daughter's school shut down at that time so there was a 5 day holiday and I was like why not go to Gandhidham that's my in-laws place so we came here and when we came here lockdown was announced so actually,
Oh.
I've just come with 5 pair of clothes, and that's about it. Hi, Adarsh. So it's like I don't have my laptop, I don't have my music, I don't have my console, I don't have anything. And this is like actual lockdown because एक DJ को music से अलग कर दिया.
True. A lot of people are saying hello, hi Roni. My partner Siddharth Todi is saying हमको भी hi बोलो. Hi Todi, how are you?
Hello,
Hi Adarsh. Now I want to ask how it
Devdas
feels
Guha.
to be on
Yes.
the other side. Like you have interviewed almost everyone from the industry, starting from Akbar Bhai, Akhtar Bhai, uh, Akil sir, everyone.
True, Raja. That's true. And this is all because of the show Tune with DJ LLB.
Yeah,
And it feels good to be this on this side also because when I'm on that side, it's basically I'm just asking questions as an interviewer. And
yeah,
I keep my opinions to myself, yeah, jo bhi hai. And this time I'm going to get to speak. So,
yeah. We all are excited. We all want to know your journey, how it started. First and foremost thing, like I don't know anybody who plays, who do DJing via this thing in mainstream, who do DJing via a built-in live.
Ableton
Today I
Live,
was,
right.
yeah, so I was going through that. So I understand most of the stuff, but I think I don't know how many of the viewers understand. So you need to tell them how is it different from regular DJing, how we like the people do DJing from CDs, from pen drives, or somebody using built-in live and still doing it at par level. So you need to explain that as well. That how is it different? How's the journey? How did you start and why did you choose a built-in live for live performance
Okay.
than usual pen drives?
Right. So what happened with me was I started DJing 15 years ago and I used to play all genres. So basically I started off with hip hop and then Bollywood came in and then there was commercial house because what time the commercial house was again a very big thing. So there were times when, thanks Mazhar for saying that. So there were times
Yeah.
when I'm playing in places like Mauritius and all, and वहाँ पे जाती थी, I used to do like maybe say 5 or 6 events, and I used to play all genres. तो CD फाइल्स है ना, वो एक एक केस लॉजिक हम लोग कैरी करते थे, वो उसका वजन मतलब सब मिला के 3-4 केस लॉजिक मिला के एटलीस्ट 20-22 किलो हो जाता था. So there were
Correct.
times where I paid like 25,000 on Emirates just to take my CD cases, and again 25,000 back. So that
Back.
50,000 was spent. So I was thinking that any which ways I have laptop, I have sound card, I have a controller, and I was learning Ableton Tabi for production. So I was like, why not put this into use and start playing? And there was a lot of and a lot of times क्या होता था ना कि जब भी this female DJ वाला concept तभी नहीं था. They were like, हाँ लड़की है, देखेंगे पता नहीं क्या करेगी, आता भी होगा नहीं आता होगा.
True.
There were a lot of club DJs who were not as supportive. So they would मतलब ये guest वाला scene तभी आ रहा था. So they are like,
Yeah.
we are slogging from say Monday to Friday, and Saturday कोई female DJ को बुला के main set दे दिया, तो ये insecurity होती थी. So they used to give me very bad players. मेरे टेक राइडर में जो लिखा है उससे कुछ पूरा अलग ही देते थे. देन वो लोग एम से सब कीड़े करके रखते हैं एंड मॉनिटर्स नहीं देते थे. एंड प्लेयर्स इतने खराब मिल चुके हैं मुझे कि आप मतलब बाजू में भी जस्ट सैपिंग लाइक ऑन द बीट टू रिलीज क्यू पे, उसके पहले रिलीज हो जाएगा या 2 सेकंड डिले के बाद होगा. सो आई हैव गॉन थ्रू ऑल ऑफ बहुत खराब. So I've gone through all of this, and I was like, why not have my own player? And why not do this on my own? क्यों किसी के
And confuse everybody.
Yeah.
I'll go
So
there.
वो trend था. Yeah, when I started ना, तभी जो लोग मेरे आजू बाजू कीड़े करने को खड़े रहते थे ना, वो लोग फिर मेरे पीछे खड़े रहने लगे ऐसे देखने को कि क्या चल रहा है.
क्या चल रहा है. True.
फिर वो लिल बी से लिल मैम हो गया.
No, it is true, man. So
And
like,
yeah, and for आदत लग गई है. It's comfort zone now. It's difficult to switch, though I'm thinking of switching. I've tried many times. I am going to switch, that's for sure.
don't.
But एक वो आदत सी लग गई है.
Don't.
You're Ketan, you're Ricky.
My suggestion, or I am not somebody who can suggest you also, but my from my side, don't switch. क्योंकि क्या होता है
Don't
usually
switch.
don't switch, stay on a built-in. The scenario is like जब ये रेगुलर चीज होती है ना, हम लोगों के लिए भी रेगुलर. मैं आई एम माई सेल्फ ए डीजे टू, सो हम लोगों के लिए रेगुलर ये सब चीजें पेन ड्राइव्स कैरी करना. सो बड़ा बच्चों के लिए या हम लोगों के लिए बड़ा फैसिनेटिंग होता है जब कोई नया गियर लेके आता है. सो व्हेन Mazhar is here, so when I used to manage Mazhar back then. So when Mazhar was with Bass Culture, so I used to get very fascinated when he used to play with all these gears on these lasers, and everything used to be synced, and he was doing it so perfectly, like everything was on time. So ये सारी चीजें ना बहुत फैसिनेटिंग होती हैं. और दूसरा क्या है, कोई कीड़ा करने वाला है ही नहीं, कोई कीड़ा कर ही नहीं सकता बिकॉज उसको गेयर का पता ही नहीं.
Yeah.
There are lot many times when I have gone to play, and क्या कभी क्या होता है कि जब तुम आप प्ले करने वाले हो, आपने पेन ड्राइव लगाया, ट्रैक सिलेक्ट किया, एंड द मोमेंट यू डोंट रियलाइज बिकॉज इट्स अ पीयर प्रेशर, you can't make people stop on the dance floor and then play next track. You have to play with the when resident DJ leaves, you have to immediately switch the track. बहुत बार ऐसा सिनेरियो हुआ है. I don't want to name people because वो हो गया उनका था, उनको लगता था ये बच्चा आया कोई तो क्या करते हैं रिवर्स मोड में डाल देते हैं प्लेयर. He will not realize I am playing. For first, you will freak out for 10 seconds. That is for sure. Human tendency, you will freak out for 10 seconds for sure. 2-3 बार ये चीज हुआ है. उसके बाद तो मैंने बोला हाँ ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, no problem. So from my suggestion, don't change it. थोड़ा जो
No, you're saying that there is a delay of 10 seconds when one DJ is playing and the next one takes over when they're playing on Ableton. That is what you're trying to say.
No, I'm saying my scenario that when I used to take over from a resident DJ, this have happened like 2-3 times. So when I used to take over, so they will deliberately put the player in the reverse mode.
Like that.
अच्छा चलो ये बॉम्बे से आया, इसकी थोड़ी फिरकी लेते हैं, इसका थोड़ा प्लेयर रिवर्स मोड में डाल के देखते हैं क्या करता है क्या नहीं करता. So like that. So 90% of the people will not understand what are you doing on a built-in. They'll get fascinated and they'll be like, okay, the moment from 2 घंटे तुमको समझने में ही लग जाएंगे कि कर क्या रहे हैं. उतने में तो नाइट खत्म हो जाएगी.
The thing is that today, DJs are just not like, it's not like just headphone लगा के console के पीछे खड़े हो. There's a lot of interaction, performance. आप selfie भी ले रहे हो, आप miking कर रहे हो,
Yeah,
आप नाच
yeah,
रहे हो, आप नचा रहे हो. So with
true.
Ableton, you have this freedom that
Yeah.
there's a lot of homework. मैं console पे I'm not doing my homework. मैं पीछे बैठ के मतलब I've landed, I'm in
True.
my room and मैं 8-9 घंटे बैठी हूँ. I'm warping all my tracks. I'm making my set. I'm trying to
Yeah.
make it as flawless. It should sound like a mashup, जितना हो सके उतना. Because if you have technology, then use it to the best. So I'm doing all of that. So when I'm performing, it's fun because I mean, there's a different high to performing when you're performing on Ableton Live because you don't have to worry about mixing. Your tracks
Yeah.
are all warped, it's there, and it's just performance. That's it. You're connecting with the crowd.
Yeah. One second. I'm missing so many comments. ये कमेंट्स मिस करने के बाद मैं सबको बोल रहा हूँ 2-3 दिन से कि गाली पड़ती है कमेंट मिस करने के बाद. आई हैव टू से हाई टू देम. केतन सर इज देयर. हाय केतन सर.
Hi Ketan, hi Imran, hi Devdas.
Mother is saying something. Please watch properly new Corona talent in the industry. What Lil B ma'am said. Okay, new Corona talent. Thank you so much for the honor. There's no honor, Mazhar bhai. You always do the best. Built-in is the best for you, Lil B. You just amazing. Imran is saying this.
Yes.
Please, Lil B ma'am, please share your experience. Yeah, so some people want to know your experience now. Like, when did you start? You started DJing 15 years back. How was the scene that time? How's the scene changing? How's the experience?
Okay. So when I started, there were not many female DJs, and Bollywood में तो शायद बहुत ही कम थे. So there was Pearl, there was Mafaiza, then there was Mega Kawale, and there were a few more to name, but not basically into Bollywood. And so when I started, scene was very different. In fact, even I didn't start with Bollywood. I started as a hip hop DJ, and for me, the journey has been like मेरे को पता नहीं कहाँ से शुरू करूँ. It's been commendable. There has been no stop to it. And मैंने शुरुआत किया back in 2005 and I learned at DJ Nasha's workstation. And
Okay.
वहाँ पे I was so static. I used to be like a statue. वहाँ पे like मेरे को पैर पे ना ऐसा like Reggie, my instructor would like move to the beat, move to the beat, move to the
Yeah.
beat. Like मेरे को scale से पड़ती थी मेरे पैर पे.
Yeah.
And अभी वो मेरा पैर अभी भी रुकता नहीं है. Like वापस लगाना पड़ेगा तब जाके रुकेगा. So
Yeah.
this is what it was, and I used to be like a statue, and हम लोग hip hop ये सब सीखते थे. Then Akhtar sir got me to Nasha's workstation. So after I got done with my course, I called him up, and one of his club was Rock Bottom. So that is where he told me you can go and you can start practicing. So मैं शाम को 7-8-9 बजे जाती थी. I used to practice for 1-2 hours. I was underage, so I could not go on my own. So my dad
Okay.
used to take me to the club whenever he's free, and he would get me back home.
Okay.
So I used to practice for 1-2 hours, and then even the resident DJs were like, "No, it's going really very good," and they said we should give Bhavini a mainstream night. So they started with Wednesday nights, ladies' night, hip hop night. So that is when it started, and then there was no stopping. And from there, I started playing in Hyderabad, then so much often in Bangalore, then Pune, Delhi, Kolkata, and then started playing in Dubai and Sri Lanka and Bangkok, and then it endless list.
Yeah. वो तो फिर वो endless बन ही जाता है because once you have a grip like that, it will be endless. So
True,
any
true.
any new hobbies in quarantine? A lot of people are becoming cooks, chefs, proper. A lot of people are cleaning the houses.
So, so for me, cooking was always there. I always loved cooking. So that is any which way is there. वो करना हो कि नहीं करना हो करना पड़ता है because you're like you're a family girl and you're a
Yeah.
mother and all. So that is any which way is there. A lot of time is spent with my daughter. Like we have उसका school होता है सुबह काफी time. Then she has her classes. So I'm sitting with her and getting like doing homework assignments with her, helping her out with a lot of stuff, teaching her and giving her that time that I could not give when I was traveling. And
Yeah.
last October से लेके ये February, in fact March शुरुआत तक बहुत hectic हो गया था with my show
Yeah.
Tune with DJ Lil B and with my shows and the new IP that we were doing with all the international
No, that is
percussionists and artists.
don't kill my question. That is my next question.
Okay. So so बस ये सब होता था and so I'm happy I'm doing this and बस जब भी टाइम मिले तब इंस्टाग्राम पे आओ आपका शो देखो बस और क्या
हाँ,
हॉबी है
तो
कुछ नहीं
बहुत लोगों से
Drawing,
मैंने पूछा है
painting.
टाइम मैनेजमेंट स्किल. सो यू आर द राइट पर्सन टू आस्क हाउ डू यू मैनेज योर टाइम because you have a family, you have a daughter, you have a DJing, you are pro in everything. So how do you manage your time? Because how for you to go, I think you, as you said that homework is way too much. I don't think so कि एक आप यहाँ से बॉम्बे से ट्रैवल करके कैलकाटा चले गए और कैलकाटा रूम में बैठ के आपने सब कुछ कर लिया. नो, यू कांट डू दैट बिकॉज इन ए नाइट 3-4 hours तो आपको प्ले करना ही है. उसके लिए तो एटलीस्ट हर रोज कितने घंटे स्पेंड करने पड़ते होंगे. That we want to know.
So मेरे
Yeah.
साथ नहीं रजत, मुझे इतना वक्त नहीं मिलता है because my routine at home itself is very packed. In fact, for me it's like मैं टीवी भी नहीं देखती, मैं कुछ नहीं. For me जो भी है वो YouTube है या फिर जो भी है वो इंटरनेट है. So that is it.
Yeah.
So what I do is the moment I prefer going 3 hours early at the airport. So मेरा काम 40-45 minutes में हो जाएगा. Then I'm not the person who is shopping and all. I'm sitting at the airport downloading my songs then. And then I'm transferring it. Then I'm working on the flight. So 3 घंटे की flight है तो मैं शायद 2-2.5 घंटा काम कर रही हूँ इसमें. Take off landing में I just take a little nap. Then I reach my hotel and I work for at least 8 to 9 hours. No jokes. I'm sitting in one chair in one place, popping all my songs. And मेरा ऐसा है ना कि जब तक एक गाना भी नहीं है ना तब तक I cannot go on the console. I feel like so scared even after 15 years being in the industry. So I need to have all the song. Everything is warped. It's there in its set. Everything is done. Then I take a deep breath, go get ready, eat my food, and go for my event. So seriously, if you're asking me about time management, तो ढूंढना पड़ता है टाइम. नहीं मिलता, इतना आसानी से नहीं मिलता है.
नहीं, पहले बहुत सारे लोग बहुत सारे कमिटमेंट्स को माना कर देते थे कि आई डोंट हैव टाइम फॉर दिस, आई डोंट हैव टाइम फॉर दिस, इंक्लूडिंग मी. आई हैव डन, कितना मैंने पीछे छोड़ा कि इन चीजों को कि नहीं यार मैं नहीं कर सकता था, मैं नहीं होता. Right now, when now this situation have come down, I am realizing from past 15-20 days that things, if I can do this stuff, if मैंने किसी दूसरे तरीके से सोचा होता तो मैं 110% कर लेता. Like that,
Right,
now the
right.
situation have come. Yeah.
No, but where
So-
there's a will, there's always a way. If you
Yeah,
really
true.
want to do anything, no, there is no stopping to it.
ना, अभी समझ में आ रहा है, अभी घर बैठ के ज्यादा
Yes.
समझ में आ
See,
रहा
for me, I took a break. I took a good break of 2-3 years, but then I made a comeback in the industry and I was welcomed with open arms because I left on a good note. I left when my career was there. And yes, and when I had to come back, I did that. I started with my show and it's still, I'm just back in the industry the way I had left. So where
Yeah.
there's a will, there's really a way, and you can
Yeah,
do
true.
that. It's not that
True,
difficult.
True. And tell us about Tune with Lil B. Now that question, and other one is your percussion set.
Yes. Hi, Coral, before that. So,
One second.
Tune with
Let me
Lil B.
see. Let me see. यार ये बहुत गालियां देते हैं अगर मैं इनके questions नहीं पूछता. Who's your favorite Indian female DJ other than you? Okay.
ये कल जिसने परोमा को पूछा था शायद वो ये क्या वो सबके पीछे भिड़ा हो, आग लगाओ.
No, not Bidao Agleva. This is not the same person. This is somebody else.
No. Okay. So my favorite female DJ, see, I haven't heard a lot of them. Like I haven't heard 90% of them, so it's difficult to comment. But I've heard Rink and I've heard her like at least 3-4 times. So I would definitely put her name up. And बाकी लोगों को मैं live देखती हूँ and I can just judge them a little by the story they put. So I don't think so उसे judge करना चाहिए because they would definitely put your hands up in the air, पूरा वो सब करके then you drop that track, you're going to get that response. So मैंने Rink को personally सुना है, so I would say Rink for that matter.
Yeah.
In fact, we almost started our journey together. Yeah.
No. Which is your favorite place to perform? Like they have asked favorite stage. I'm saying place, stage or club.
So
or
if
which...
it's okay, so if it's India, it's Prive, New Delhi.
Okay.
That's a place where I really love to play there. Yes.
Yeah.
उसका console इतना सही है, the vibe is superb and the way they made the place, it's a DJ oriented place. Like DJ is the center and then the club revolves around it. Unlike a lot of other clubs जहाँ पे DJ को तो मतलब bathroom के बाजू में या बाहर के अंदर डाल देते.
Which is your favorite current favorite track? Okay, उल्टा लिखा.
गेंदा फूल.
गेंदा अयो no.
Yeah, for some reason, एक बार सुना ना, तब से वो मतलब बैठ गया दिमाग में गाना.
कोरोना ने सबका प्लेयर रिवर्स में डाल दिया. और केतन सर इसी
That is Ketan Dosa.
Yeah.
Yes.
One minute. एक बारी पढ़ी लेन. Hats off. Your hard work speaks with your performance. Bhavani, keep it up. Somebody saying that the
Thank
Boho
you.
girl.
That is that girl Boho. That's
yeah.
I think so. Yeah, that's my cousin Coral.
Oh, okay. So yeah, now now family is the first one जो जिन लोगों को प्राउड होना चाहिए, I think उन लोगों को होना भी चाहिए यार. The things you do, I am now, मैंने शायद मैं हर डीजे के लिए शायद आने से पहले 1-2 घंटा पढ़ लेता हूँ कि क्या किया है क्या नहीं किया, क्योंकि मैं भी बहुत नया हूँ, मुझे भी बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं पता है. बट
Right.
आपके आपके टाइम में पढ़ते वक्त तो मैंने TEDx पढ़ा, तो TEDx is something which you have to share the experience, not me. How was the TEDx and what
Yeah,
was
so
the
I'll come
experience?
to
Yeah.
TEDx, but before that, you asked me about the percussion
Yeah,
set.
percussion set, yeah.
Yeah.
No, before
So
that,
I'll
before
answer
that,
that.
I asked you tune with DJ Lil B.
Oh my God. Okay. So
Yeah.
first tune with DJ will be what? Okay. So before I got into DJing, I used to be a glamour broadcast journalist. So
Okay.
I used to go around interviewing a lot of celebrities. मेरा खुद का एक show था. It was called What's Up Mumbai. This is when I was maybe say 14 years old, kind of a thing. 12th pass था तभी बस खत्म ही
Okay.
किया था. In fact,
Okay.
so I used to do this and उसमें सारे celebrities को interview किया. एंड जितनी भी बड़ी बड़ी इवेंट्स होती थी उसमें सब में डीजेस है ना, दे यूज्ड टू बी इधर अख्तर सर और अकील सर और अकबर सामी सर, सुकेतु सर, ये थोड़े बहुत नाम होते थे.
जी.
So there came a time when I used to even interview them because they are not less than a celebrity. So if
True.
I'm playing for a Bombay Times party, DJ Akhtar is playing for that, then I go and interview him also. And
Yeah.
that is when I saw the console for the first time and I was so fascinated with it. And that is what actually got me into DJing. जब भी मैंने अख्तर
Yeah.
सर से वहाँ पे बात किया that I'm curious, एक गाना बजाने के लिए इतने सारे buttons क्या है, this is looking like a cockpit, so I want to know this. So तभी उसके बाद DJing आया. So now coming back to Tune with DJ Lil B is my roots from journalism itself. That
Okay.
I always wanted to do that. So now combining music and journalism, this is my show. And I've always seen this कि इंडियन डीजेज के लिए ना कोई ऐसा शो नहीं है इनफैक्ट.
True.
एंड if I want to know what they did 30 years ago, उनका लाइफ क्या था, there is nothing documented because
Correct.
when they started there was no social media and they are the ones who started this industry for all of
Yeah.
us.
True. True.
Yes.
Akbar
So
Akbar sir, one
मैंने
of
बोला
them. Akbar sir was one.
absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah.
ट्रू. सो मेरा मकसद ये था कि मुझे इनकी स्टोरी मेरे को डॉक्यूमेंट करनी है एंड दैट्स व्हाई द शो ट्यून विद डीजे LP.
So yeah, so we can find, which platforms we can find that show. I know, but I'm.
It's on my
also.
YouTube. It's on my YouTube. It's yeah. Go on my YouTube and go to DJ LILB and you will find the show there. You can just Google search Tune with DJ Lil B and आपको मिल जाएगा.
So season 2 है या season 1 है या season 3 है?
Season 1 खत्म हो गया. Season 2 खत्म करना था, but because of कोरोना वायरस उसका जो end था, finale episode हमारा shoot करना बाकी था. And it's just that तभी ये सब हुआ and we could not shoot the finale episode, but we've done like 7, 8 is in the editing. So और दो बाकी we wanted to do 10. So let's see अभी ये कभी होता है possible.
Now, who was your like the DJs who came in the second season? I know, मैंने सब पढ़ लिया है. मैं सब homework करके आया हूँ.
So second season. So second season started off with 3 aces itself. It was a धमाकेदार opening because अगर 3 aces है DJs अख्तर सर, अकबर सर and अकील सर, तो वो full धमाका होता है. So it started with them. Then it was Akhil Talreja and Lijo, and Lijo को काफी लोग सुनना चाहते थे. They were like, please Lijo को लेके आओ. He's such a shy guy and उसका social media पे presence काफी कम है. And so I wanted him to come on board. He's a very dear friend. Then it was Ali Merchant and Zulfi Sayed. Then I did one with Paroma for You're Not Worth the Story. And then it was Smita and Lemon. That was one full gossip wala episode. And then we did Maddock, Terry Miko, and I did one. Yeah, and I did one with the rappers. So rappers were Axie and RCR.
RCR, yeah. Okay.
Yes,
nice.
yes.
Nice.
So far.
Let's see. We're waiting, and I'll definitely go and check it out because आज मैं उनका इंटरव्यू ले रहा हूँ जिन्होंने सारी इंडस्ट्री का इंटरव्यू लिया है, तो मेरी भी थोड़ी सी हवा टाइट है. Yeah, so
बिल्कुल नहीं. I'm very chilled out.
Yeah, so tell us about the percussion set now. Then we'll move to TEDx one.
Oh, right. So percussion set is basically this is an IP with Glow Show Entertainment, Glow Show Global Artist, and उसमें I am the DJ. मेरे साथ है रशिया से violinist, Colombia से saxophonist, then Cuba से flutist, and I have who else? Violinist, saxophonist, flutist, and there was a pianist, and then I have 3 Australian dancers.
Sitar guy.
Sitar, हाँ. So 3 Australian dancers, Indian
Yeah.
sitarists. Then we have 2, 4 जैसे भी drummers, ढोलीस की requirement होती है वैसे ढोलीस, and we have a liquid drummer and a percussionist. So it's all
Yeah.
of them and me. So वो भी quarantine का असर हो रहा है. मैं ऐसे कैसे भूल गई, मैं सोच रही थी. So yeah, it's all of them and me. And हम लोग basically we do weddings. Honey. So we do a lot of weddings and we've done club shows also.
Okay. The full
So
setup.
season 1 उसका खत्म हो गया, full setup, full band के साथ. And it's fun when you're traveling with so many musicians. But
Yeah.
एक ही चीज है, you know, इसके जो हमारे टेक्निकल राइडर्स होते हैं उसकी इन्वेंट्री इतनी लंबी होती है, एंड साउंड चेक में कभी कभी 5-6 घंटे भी लग जाते हैं. एंड वी हैव साउंड engineer also on board. Yes. So it's crazy. And working with all these international talents, it's and for a wedding, it's like, you know, कोई set नहीं होता है. You are just playing, you know, because every wedding is different and request ज़्यादा attend करनी होती है, original ज़्यादा होता है. So for them to find the space to train them, so a lot of time goes in training them. That this is ये मेरा क्यों होगा, इसके बाद ये आएगा.
Correct. And definitely I must say you will learn a lot of stuff from those guys, you know. And weddings तो पहली चीज वो सब चीज सिखा देती हैं weddings आपको.
Right.
You know, you have to play for so many hours, so many different genres, and then that too performing with such a, you know, wide artist.
And everybody is dependent upon me. मतलब सबके cues
Yeah,
मुझे
true.
देने हैं. So
True,
that is
true,
there.
true,
और
true.
किसी का भी मिस नहीं होना चाहिए. तो वो coordination is very very important.
Very
बहुत सारे
important.
jam sessions लगते हैं, बहुत सारे गाने हमको recreate करने पड़ते हैं क्योंकि उसमें वो musical piece का जगह नहीं होता है. And Bollywood itself is इतना noisy, इतना कुछ भरा हुआ होता है उसमें, कोई खाली जगह
True.
होती नहीं है. तो
True, true,
to
true.
add on that does not sound good. So a lot of studio hours go in that. It's a lot of hard work.
But all these guys are from different countries. So how do you, like, are they staying in India or you're doing?
So they came not for the wedding season. They came not for that much. So they came from September to March. They were there. Then March, just before all this lockdown got announced, you know, they flew back. And now again they'll come back next season.
Oh, superb. Because this is something, you know, if I'm a wedding client or if I'm a wedding guy who does a lot of weddings here and there. So I must prefer this one because I have done a lot of wedding shows. So I understand the point that, you know, people look for different sets. Because
right.
अभी लोग DJ से हो गया. अभी people, they want some more than DJing. You can't say entertainment. Yeah, you can say X Factor. Yeah, the correct word to say.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
That's true. And then एक time हो जाता है ना जब भी इतनी सारी लड़कियां हैं स्टेज पे, because your violinist, your flutist, your saxophonist, your pianist, sitarist, मतलब जितने भी लोग हैं, plus इतनी सारी Australian dancers आ गए, तो that पूरा stage, the way it looks, no, and it's really very good. And wedding में लोगों को यही चाहिए.
True. Correct. Okay. सौरभ जी का क्वेश्चन है, डीजे श्रेया के साथ, क्या डीजे श्रेया के साथ? मैम डीजे श्रेया
ट्यून में डीजे लिल्बी की बात कर रहे थे.
So maybe
that time. A lot of people keep suggesting that आप इनके साथ भी एक शो करो, इनके साथ भी करो. We would want to see them. So yes, we'll do with everyone.
Who's the male DJ which you respect the most? Okay, the most. Okay.
Most, I would say DJ Akhtar sir, because he's been there from the start. Before I became a DJ, I know him through my journalism days, and he's guided me. So he got me to the workstation, and when I got done, I again went back to him and I told him that I'm done with it. And also both my Tune with DJ Lilvi jo maine kiya, episode 1, season 1 ka, and episode 1, season 2 ka, both I had to start with him. So yes, so I would say him.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now tell us about your TEDx session.
Right. So TEDx was basically, this came through Adarsh. He was there earlier. I don't know if he's here right now. So it came through Adarsh.
He said hi. Yeah, he said hi. I don't know whether he's there or not.
So this was for one of the colleges in Hyderabad. And what do I tell about that? So basically he knows my journey. He's been a very dear friend. I've done so many events with him. So it was basically like mother by the day and DJ by the night. So what my journey is like, and it was, the title itself is this, Mother by the Day, DJ by the Night. It's already there on YouTube. You can go and you can just search for it and you will find it and you can watch that. And I don't want to say more about it, but आप देख सकते हो वहाँ पे. It's about my journey and changing times.
Changing times. Okay, superb. Superb. Any funny moment, any favorite moment you want to share from your career with us?
फनी तो
Then
काफी होता रहता है.
no, any favorite
So
moment?
So favorite also, like almost every event goes really very good, and there's something to look into and there's something to learn from every event. So favorite भी
Yeah.
सब में होता है. Funny, there have been many times यार मेरे को ये actually सोचना पड़ेगा, सोच के बताना पड़ेगा. But I clearly remember there was this funny तो नहीं, scary moments I can say, because वो काफी कम हुए हैं. So I was playing at ITC in ITC Delhi. उसमें
Hmm.
क्लब होता है Dublin, ITC का खुद का. So I was playing
Yeah.
there. There was this guy who walked in, and I was playing बीडी जले ले. 2008-7 की शायद बात होगी. I was playing that song, and मैंने उसको mix करके मैंने निकाल दिया गाना. तो
Which track?
ड्रॉप था.
Which
हाँ,
track? Which track was
बीडी
that?
जले ले.
अच्छा, okay, बीड़ी चले ले, okay,
Yeah, so maybe 2008 के आसपास. So
okay.
he told me breakdown था, and I could आगे ही खड़ा था, so I could hear him very loudly. He's like, ओए गाना चला दे फिर से, नहीं तो गोली चला दूंगा. And तभी वो time था where they were actually allowed to carry guns, and I was
Yeah.
really scared. So बस एक वो scene हुआ है, and एक दूसरा was doing a wedding in Ludhiana, अमृतसर, I don't remember. मतलब कहीं तो भी था, दिल्ली के outskirts में, I think so. I remember driving down for like 6 hours and then going. So it was a VVIP wedding जहाँ पे helicopters land हो रहे हैं farm house पे, and very big wedding. And again, this is back in 2007 या 8, I would say then. So it was like जब भी the bride and the groom were supposed to walk on the dance floor, मतलब जब भी उनको आना था, I had to play their first track. So first track मुझे बोला था play this song पहली नजर में from Race. तो मुझे क्यू दिया गया कि they are going to come, it's their first dance. एंड तभी वो गाना बहुत ही हिट था. सो दे वर लाइक प्ले द सॉन्ग पहली नजर में. तो मैंने क्यू करके रखा ना. वो जो दूल्हा था उसने दुल्हन को उठाया. अभी उसके घाघरा इतना लंबा था ना दैट उसको जो स्टेप है ना, वन स्टेप अप डांस फ्लोर, वो दिखाई नहीं दिया. एंड ही वॉज, आई थिंक सो ही वॉज क्वाइट ड्रंक आउट ऑफ हिज विट्स, आई डोंट नो. सो उसने उसको देखा नहीं स्टेप, एंड ही ट्रिप. सो दुल्हन
Oh
पहले
shit.
गिरी, वो उस पे गिर गया, एंड ही पास्ड आउट. एंड वहीं पे लाइक सीन हो गया. लाइक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैंने फेडर नीचे कर दिया. सो लाइक ओ डीजे बंद क्यों कर दिया, चला चला. बट आप देखो तो सही आगे हुआ क्या है. एंड वहीं पे डेले करे शादी कैंसिल कर दो. मेरी तो जो फटी है ना वहां पे, सीधी सब प्लेयर छोड़ा. वो दूसरा मेरे बाजू में बाउंसर था, मैंने बोला मेरे को सीधा बैक गेट से एग्जिट करा. वो पूरा सब छोड़ के आ गई वहां पे. मेरे को सबकी नजर डीजे पे गई. आई वाज लाइक मैंने कुछ नहीं किया भाई.
नहीं नो, आपका क्या कसूर है इसमें? ही इज ड्रंक आउट हिज माइंड, तो अब आप क्या कर सकते हो उस चीज में?
हाँ, बट वो आगे वाले लोगों को पता है ना. पीछे वाले लोग तो ये बोलेंगे कि ये गाना मतलब बंद हो गया तो कुछ हो गया करके. तो दे वर लाइक अरे लाइक दैट, ये बंद क्यों किया, म्यूजिक चला दे. वापस वापस वही हो गया. मेरे दिमाग में आ गया गोली चला दे वाला. वापस नहीं होना चाहिए. मैं वहीं से कल्टी, फिर कभी नहीं लिया वहां का वेडिंग.
So he
केतन is
lost
saying so he lost the race. Absolutely, Ketan.
super.
Ketan, you're a man of one-liners, huh? I'll be very prepared for 30th April.
So are you doing any live sessions on in this quarantine time on your channel?
Live DJing live?
Yeah, live sessions, like a lot of people are doing Instagram live sessions now.
Yeah, a lot of them are doing, but I'm not doing any because like I said, मैं खाली 5 दिन की पैकिंग करके आई थी गांधीधाम, and I don't have any of my equipments here. मेरा लैपटॉप, मेरा कंसोल, I don't even have a pen drive. चाहूँ तो कर सकती हूँ, but अगर मुझे कोई IP अप्रोच करेगा that we want you to play for us, I would do that. I can manage a console from one of my friends here in Gandhidham, and music क्या 1-2 दिन लगेगा. I'll download and I'll make a set because I'm not playing for the audience, right? So I can make a stipulated set, and हो सकता है, but ऐसे ही है, वही live नहीं जाना है अभी.
Okay, true enough. So, chalo, rapid fire. Now I'll give you 2 words. You have to say whatever comes in your mind for first. Favorite food?
I'm a foodie. I love everything. Everything. बस कुछ भी वेज दे दो बस. I'll eat.
Favorite country to play in other than India?
Dubai.
Okay. Favorite track? Current Bollywood track? वो मैंने पूछ लिया. गेंदा फूल.
I said गेंदा फूल.
Okay, nice. Favorite first is your inspiration. ये भी हो गया शायद, अख्तर सर.
हाँ, वो भी हो गया.
उसके बाद क्या है? 1 second. Favorite international artist? Yeah, another question.
Ah,
Favorite international artist? Any
it's
artist, any
काफी
house
सारे हैं,
artist?
काफी सारे हैं. Then I would not. You want me to name a DJ or just an artist?
Any artist will do. Any singer will do. Any artist will do. Whom you follow a lot.
Not really, but I would say Cardi B right now.
Cardi B, super.
Or DJ Snake, yeah.
DJ Snake तो इस टाइम पे सबका ही फेवरेट है.
Yes.
So any upcoming projects which were pending other than Tune with DJ Lil B two shows. Other than that, any remixes, any originals you are coming up with anytime soon?
Currently the situation is such that I don't have much to comment on. So काफी
Okay.
सारा था pipeline में. So even with like I said, the मेरा percussion set था, it was like आगे थोड़े बहुत, we had plans that we are going to do some things, but that could not happen because of the lockdown.
Corona.
And
Yeah.
Tune with DJ Lil B का जैसा मैंने बोला कि 2 episode बाकी है. In fact, 3 is already in the pipeline, and there were so many people. In fact, they are still there. कोई कहीं गया नहीं है. So we were going to make this happen. And besides that, yeah, I had to shift on CD players. So I was like waiting कि ऐसा कोई time
Don't.
आएगा मेरे पास, so I would practice.
नहीं वो
I
करो.
got
अब
my
मैं
concept.
मैं बताता हूँ funny incident. So I was playing in भोपाल. So I
हाँ.
don't remember कहाँ पे था मैं. कहीं पे तो था, मैं भोपाल में बता रहा था. तो like somebody was mentioning it to me that वो कंसोल पे कुछ बात चल रही थी. तो he was saying, so Lil B, there's a DJ called DJ Lil B. I'm like, yeah, I know, man. So अभी तब आपका ट्रैक आया था बायला मूव्स, तो your remix
Okay.
came out that time. So I know this artist. So saying, man, the way she plays is like superb. I'm like, okay, she DJing के अलावा कुछ extra कुछ carry करते हैं क्या? Just
हाँ.
out of curiosity I asked, and he said, yeah, man, वो कुछ तो लेके आती है, वो मेरे को नहीं पता क्या लेके आती है, पर वो कुछ सारी लाइट जलती रहती है और वो कुछ लाइट से कुछ करती रहती है. And I didn't understand anything, and I guess this was club owner only. And he was saying कि लाइट से तो कुछ
Oh
करती
my
रहती
God.
है, पर पता नहीं गाने कैसे चेंज हो जाते हैं. मैं बोला अच्छा ठीक
Okay.
है, nice. So now yesterday when we were talking to Paroma, now I understood like you play on Ableton Live. Super.
Yes, that's true. That's true. And I don't think so anybody as such is doing. मतलब बहुत पहले जलेबी कार्टेल and all they were doing. And अभी
Yeah.
मुझे seriously नहीं पता कि ये चीज कौन कर रहा है, because first of all
Jalebi
it's too
Cartel
much to
used to
carry.
do, Nuclear used
Yeah.
to do on
Yeah.
the same platform. Duelist
Nasha
Inquiry,
did, I
if I'm
think
not
so.
wrong. Yeah,
Nasha,
Duelist Inquiry
Paul Van
also.
Dyke. Yeah. And
Duelist
Deadmau5.
Inquiry
I know
also.
about these
Yeah.
many names. कि इन्होंने तो
Yeah.
किया है Ableton Live पे DJing, but not many
True.
names.
From India, my brother Get Massive also does. He used to do that, but I made him
Absolutely.
shift because so many times his laptop used to crash. So I told him, नहीं.
Oh my God. नहीं, मेरा आज तक कभी लैपटॉप क्रैश नहीं हुआ है, कभी नहीं. टच वुड. It's been like what 13 years I think so on Ableton Live. 2 साल मैंने सीरीज पे प्ले किया. Never ever crash because I don't use anything besides Ableton on that. किसी मतलब कुछ भी नहीं है उस पे. मैंने सब कुछ डिलीट कर दिया उस पे. So like GarageBand भी मैंने डिलीट कर दिया है, सारा पूरा खाली कर दिया. It's only Ableton Live.
So Ketan sir is asking, Akhtar sir is big B, you are Lil B, who is middle B?
तो क्या बताए?
So
Ketan, I don't know.
any advice
Yeah.
to the new generation and what should they do right now in quarantine, or any advice to everyone here? To me as well.
Just be positive. You just be
Yeah.
positive, and that is all I can say. उम्मीद रखो, उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है, and just be home and stay safe. And I mean, pursue what you can. Like everybody, हमेशा हम जैसे हमारी लाइफस्टाइल है ना, we always complain कि काश कभी ऐसा वक्त मिल जाता, काश कभी ऐसा वक्त मिल जाता. तो
Correct.
अब वक्त मिला है, तो now you make the most of it. अभी करो ना.
True. Right.
Yeah, at least work on your health, because health is something that is completely ignored. We don't get to sleep on time, we don't get to eat on time, and we don't get to do so many other things. We don't get to spend that kind of time we want to do with our family. So please make the most of it. I understand कि सबका घर से चल रहा है, and for a lot of people it's a big thing कि पता नहीं वापस when will the industry come back full fledgedly, because अपनी इंडस्ट्री में कैसा है ना, डीजे को बुलाओ, आर्टिस्ट को बुलाओ, भीड़ भरो, एंड वो तो होना नहीं है अभी, कुछ टाइम तक तो डेफिनेटली नहीं होना है.
True.
So start looking for alternative careers, start thinking of what else can you do, because definitely you are more talented than you think you are, and so start thinking, take advice from your friends, because they can come, what they see in you maybe you might not be able to see in yourself. So this is the time, सबसे मिलो, देखो, alternate career सोचो जो हो सकता है, and बस बाकी इंशाल्लाह.
Thank you so much, Bhavani, for coming and
Thank you
joining
so
with us.
much, Rajat.
Take
Thank
care.
you, Ketan, also for being there, and all your one-liners. ना मतलब मेरे को तो पता नहीं क्या खाना पड़ेगा to be on your show. मुझे हाँ, मुझे बहुत सारा कॉफी विद करण लिखना पड़ेगा एंड बहुत सारा कपिल शर्मा लिखना पड़ेगा. Thank you for being there. Yes.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you everyone. Bye. Stay safe.
Bye.
Thanks, Rajat.
Bye.
Bye.